Let's continue with end with function. If you want to check whether your string is ending with a particular character or alphabet, you can check it with ends with function. Now in this case, I'm going to end it with E. So in this case, where I'm finding whether my string is ending with A, give me false. And then over here, when I'm checking whether the string is ending with E, will give me true. So you can see in the first case I got false, and in the second case I got true. So I guess this is clear to you. Next we are going to check whether if you want to check whether the character or anything which is entered by the user is containing alphabets or number, you can check it with the help of lnum function, which is alphanumeric. The short form of ALNM is the short form of alphanumeric. So it will give me true because it contains alphabets, and if I give number again, it will give me true. Okay, it has given me false. Can you tell me why? The number is also there, alphabets is also there, are also there. Yes, it is because the space is there. So if I remove the space, it will give me true. As you can see over here. So it will check for the spaces also. And now if you want to check whether it is containing digits, then again you just have to say is digit. It will check whether it contains digits only or it contains alphabets or alphanumeric. It will give you false because it contains number and alphabets. But if I give only numbers, then it will give me true. Right? As you can see that it has given me true in this case. Now next we are going to check whether the string entered by the user is in uppercase or in lowercase. Like when you fill up the form, you are asked to fill up everything in capital letters, or in first name in first letter in capital, rest in small. That you can check with the help of is upper function and is lower function. So it is applied to all the characters. So if all characters are in upper, only then you will get true. False because all the characters are not in capital letters. And first of all, let me give you like this, and then again I'm going to run this. Again false, but if I give all the characters in capital, then only I will get true. Right? Now if all the characters are in small, then I will get true in case I am going to check for the lower case. Then is lower, and I have stored everything in LNM, then again I will get true. But if I'll take first name, I will get false. I think this is clear to you how to check for upper case and lower case. Now if you want to check whether the user has entered strings or his name, or he just left it as it is without any character, so it contains space, and you will prompt the user to enter his name or whatever you are asking for. For that you can check whether the space is there in that particular field with the help of is space function. So right now it will give me false. But if I remove this and give space, it will give me true, right? So I think this is also clear to you, how to check for the space in a particular string or in a particular field. Now next is if the user leaves some spaces while entering the data. Like I have given the space before my first name and I also have given some space after my surname. So you can check it with the L strip function and R strip function. L strip function means left hand side and R is for the right hand side. You can remove the left spaces with the help of L strip function, and if there are spaces on the right side, that you can remove with the help of R strip functions. So let's see, if I am going to print the name, if I want to print my first name and last name together, I can simply write last name. It will print my name, but you can see that this space is there, which is here, and the space over here is also got printed. So now this space I am going to remove with the help of L and R functions. So let's see, first I'm going to print my name by removing the spaces from the left hand side and right hand side, and then I'm going to remove them. So you can see that the space has been removed over here from my first name, similarly from the last name, and when I'm printing it over here by using the function, both the spaces has been removed from the left hand side and right hand side, and it has shown me the name without any spaces. This is how you can use the L strip function and R strip function. So I think the functions are clear to you. These built-in inbuilt functions are there in each and every programming language. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, you can write in the comment section, and do explore, learn, share and subscribe.